Yo, what's up guys? This video is dedicated on how myself, a 13-year-old entrepreneur, started making 5 figures online. This all started nearly a year ago when coronavirus was still a big thing. It actually happened in 2020 when I still was 12 years old. But yeah, I was scrolling through TikTok and I found these two dudes, Matt Lauren and Jacob Levinar. They were probably the biggest inspirations to my success at that time. They were goats in dropshipping at the time and they're on TikTok. One of them, Jacob Levinar, and he is my mentor. And I bought one of his NFTs, his collection, but yeah, that's a different story. But yeah, they're the inspiration. They were why I started dropshipping now. But yeah, dropshipping wasn't my first business I started. I was going to TikTok, found so many things to do, investing into stocks, investing into crypto, dropshipping, Amazon affiliate marketing, everything like that, side hustles. And I was like, bro, there's so many ways to make money online. So yeah, Christmas rolled around. I didn't have any money to start up dropshipping. So I didn't start up dropshipping. I actually started up the stock market. I went for Christmas, I asked my dad for $1,000 in stocks, and he was actually, because he wanted me to make more money. He was like, it's an investment for my son, why not? So he gave me $1,000 to invest. And I got into options, which is a very, very bad idea since I had no idea what risk management was. So after maybe 50 trades, my bank account or my stock account portfolio went to $0. I'm not even joking. It was a very bad decision of mine. So yeah, here's a free tip on the stock market. Don't risk everything you have proper risk management. But yeah, that was a good actually lesson for me, not to go all my money in and just YOLO my money into one thing, and not to listen from everybody at the same time, because I was listening from these Discord trades and Discord servers, these option calls, and yeah, I was like, they're all goats. They probably know what they're doing, and yeah, half of them probably didn't. So yeah, good lesson, never to risk all your money in one thing, and make sure never ever to listen to others without doing your own research, which I did, and I lost all my money. So yeah, after that happened, I had no money left over, and my dad was like, I'm never gonna give you money again since you lost everything, which is pretty understandable. And then after that, I actually rolled around probably after a couple months after that, I figured out social media and the power of social media. Snapchat Spotlight rolled around, and you might have heard of this app before, but this app was popping off at the time. It paid so well. Like a video with 1 million views would probably get you paid $10,000 if you went viral. So yeah, the key around this was, since short form content was blowing up, everyone's hopping on the short form content bandwagon. So Snapchat rolled around theirs, Snapchat Spotlight, and their trick was they were the highest paying app, even paid more than YouTube. But to get paid, you needed to be in the top 100 most viewed videos in the last 24 hours, which is really hard to get because every second a new video is getting posted. So I was on there and spamming 30 videos per day, which is absolutely insane because I was just stealing videos off of TikTok, not even getting credits, and just spamming. Month rolled around, nothing. And then after that, one of my videos went absolutely viral. Now keep in mind, the CPM for this, or how much money you make, is every 100,000 views, you get $1,000. My video got 446,000 views. It was about a dog. It was this funny dog video. So I got paid $4,600 when I was just 12 years old. I know it doesn't sound insane, but it was really good money at the time. And yeah, that's really what I started. That's how I started funding all my businesses today. As soon as I made that $460,000, I started going crazy. I was so hyped up. But yeah, Snapchat Spotlight does not pay as well as it used to. It probably pays nearly half the amount, or maybe even quarter of amount. In last July, I'm pretty sure they announced they were gonna decrease the funds. But yeah, I wouldn't recommend trying Snapchat Spotlight. Instead, I would try maybe TikTok or Instagram, where you can actually build a huge brand that's more reliable than posting 50 videos in a single day on Snapchat Spotlight. But yeah, that's the end of the story of Snapchat Spotlight. Now here, I started 5 dropshipping stores. Till this day, none of them have absolutely worked. I've had one successful one, but then the ad account got banned on TikTok ads, so I was I didn't even lost. I didn't even know where to go. I bought a phone, started doing TikTok dropshipping here and there, everywhere really, and it didn't really work out for me. I started going in crypto, stocks, everything, and yeah, I started losing money until I found TikTok dropshipping and actually learned money Twitter and actually gained info from there and working on dropshipping till this day. And here I'm sharing my progress on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. and really trying to grow my whole personal brand while putting other brands in the works. So yeah, really after I made that money, did dropshipping, failed a couple stores, then we started up our own Instagram accounts, theme pages. I currently own around 3 theme pages. They're all in the motivational niche, and one of them recently sold for $1,000, which is absolutely insane. I've worked on it for like 2 months, and $1,000, it's not bad. But yeah, I really started that from $0. Just a testing account, and it's actually going pretty well. Now, here's my updates for today. So we currently have 2 personal brands, my crypto and Web3 personal brand, and then my whole this kind of brand, my money brand, about dropshipping, investing, personal finance, stocks, whatever like that. So we have 2 personal brands, and then we also have 3 different brands we're working on currently. We have 1 clothing brand, we have 1 dropshipping brand, and then we have 1 like build a supplement brand. That's not gonna come out in a couple. That's probably gonna come out in like a year or so. But yeah, this is kind of a where I started making money video. I'm sorry if it's like out of place and you couldn't understand much, but yeah, this is really where I started making money online. And yeah, I'm not gonna say the exact money I've made, but all I'm gonna say in total, all I'm gonna say is I made around 5 figures online. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.